Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Understanding the cost to fix a P0174 engine code, which signifies a system too lean bank 2 condition, can be quite complex because the price varies dramatically depending on the underlying cause, your vehicle's make and model, and where you get the repair done. This code indicates that your engine's computer has detected too much air or not enough fuel in the combustion process on bank 2, which is the side of the engine without cylinder number 1. It's crucial to address this promptly as it can lead to reduced fuel economy, poor engine performance, and potentially more severe engine damage over time. The first step in fixing P0174 is always accurate diagnosis, which usually incurs a diagnostic fee. Most shops charge between $100 and $200 for a thorough diagnosis, involving a scan tool to read live data, a visual inspection for obvious issues like cracked hoses, and often a smoke test to pinpoint vacuum leaks. This diagnostic fee is money well spent, as guessing can lead to replacing expensive parts unnecessarily. One of the most common culprits for a P0174 code is a vacuum leak. These can range from a simple cracked vacuum hose, which might cost you $20 to $100 for parts and $50 to $150 for labor, totaling $70 to $250, to a more involved intake manifold gasket replacement. An intake manifold gasket can run $50 to $150 for the part, but the labor can be significant, ranging from $200 to $500 or even more, bringing the total to $250 to $650 plus. Another common vacuum leak source is a faulty PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve, which is typically a cheaper fix, costing $10 to $30 for the part and $20 to $80 in labor, for a total of $30 to $110. Faulty oxygen sensors, specifically the Upstream sensor on bank 2, can also trigger this code. An O2 sensor typically costs $50 to $200 for the part itself, and labor to replace it can be another $50 to $200, depending on accessibility. So, replacing an oxygen sensor could cost you anywhere from $100 to $400. Similarly, a malfunctioning mass airflow MAF sensor can cause a lean condition. A new MAF sensor can cost between $80 and $300 for the part, with labor ranging from $30 to $100, making the total $110 to $400. Sometimes, simply cleaning the MAF sensor with a specialized cleaner, a $5 to $10 DIY job, can resolve the issue. Fuel delivery problems are another potential cause. A clogged fuel filter, while less common on modern vehicles with long-life filters, can restrict fuel flow. Parts are usually $20 to $80, with labor around $50 to $150, totaling $70 to $230. A failing fuel pump, however, is a much more expensive repair. The pump itself can be $150 to $500, but labor is substantial due to its location, often requiring removal of the fuel tank, pushing labor costs to $200 to $600 or more. This brings the total for a fuel pump replacement to $350 to $1,100 plus. Dirty or clogged fuel injectors on bank 2 can also cause a lean condition. Injectors can cost $50 to $200 each, and replacing a set can involve $100 to $400 in labor, leading to costs from $150 to $600 plus. Lastly, exhaust leaks before the upstream oxygen sensor can fool the sensor into thinking the engine is running lean, though this is less frequent. Considering all these possibilities, the total cost to fix a P0174 code can range dramatically from as little as $30 for a simple PCV valve replacement or a MAF sensor cleaning, up to well over $1,000 for a complex issue like a failing fuel pump or an extensive intake manifold repair. It is absolutely essential to get a professional diagnosis to avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure the correct part is replaced. Don't just throw parts at the problem. Invest in proper diagnostics. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe for more automotive repair insights.